Stop scrolling for a second. Let me ask you something. How many times have you made notes and still struggled during revision? If you have ever felt like I wrote everything but I remember nothing, then this video is for you. Hi, this is Anchal ma'am and today I'll show you how to make smart notes that help you revise your entire chapter in just 10 minutes. Because the problem is not the note making. The problem is how you make notes. So listen carefully. Good notes are not long. Good notes are smart. Notes should be so clear that before your exam, you need only 10 minutes to revise everything. Hack number 1. Don't write everything. You're not a photocopy machine. Write only keywords, formulas, and important points. If you write full-length paragraphs, your brain switches off. Short notes is equals to fast revision. Hack number 2. Use colors and structure. So make your notes visually smart. Use blue or a black pen for normal text, red for important, highlighters for keywords. Your brain remembers patterns faster and better than plain text. But remember, don't use too many colors. Too many colors is equals to confusion. Hack number 3. Use different formats. This is very important. Don't write everything in the same way. Use different formats like tables for comparison, flowcharts for processes, diagrams and drawings for concept. So this makes your notes easy to understand and easy to revise because your brain loves visual learning. Hack number 4. Use boxes and highlight zones. Highlight important things using boxes. Make a box of formulas, a box of definitions, a bubble or a balloon box for key points. When you revise, your eyes will directly go to these boxes. This saves time during exams. Hack number 5. Always add a mind map. Last hack, and that's the topper secret. At the end of every chapter, draw a mind map, just one page. Connect all the topics together because mind maps help you see the full chapter at once, revise quickly, remember for longer. Toppers don't make beautiful notes, they make useful notes, and useful notes save your time. So from today, don't make notes to look good, make notes to revise fast. If you found this helpful, like, share and subscribe.